What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol AMZN for Amazon Inc., of course. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this will, of course, be an update. We talk about the stock regularly over on the main channel every Sunday and sometimes Wednesday. If I scrunch it up, though, what I want to do is actually grab a little bit more time here. Let's go with like a 5-year daily chart. There we go. What you'll notice is we're at the bottom end of a massive range of consolidation right here. And in the post market, we're actually underneath it at 29.92. Okay, so all things considered, could be a very bearish upcoming period of time in Amazon falling out of this massive daily range, right? This could be all overhead supply. Anyone who is building a position in here is essentially wrong now as we break down out of the bottom end. There's a lot of overhead supply there, right? If people start to dump their shares and say, you know what, I'm just out of Amazon here until it gets a little bit more bullish, that's not going to be a good thing. We're going to have a lot of selling pressure here. So basically 3,000 is the number to be watching. Again, as of right now, it does look like we'll be gapping down underneath it. Let's turn on the extended hours session here on Amazon 30-minute. And there you go, right? Certainly underneath 3,000. The spread is fairly wide in this one, so please, reassess this for the open. The main thing I would watch out for is just, here's two things, right? So 3,000, obviously that's the big bad round number, or the 38.2 from today's sell-off, right? If we come in from the highs all the way down to the lows of the daily range, there we go. Your 38.2 is here at 3077, we'll call it, just for round number's sake. We'll throw that on with a horizontal level. As long as we remain under that level, that's going to be your indication that the chart is bearish, right? So, extremely bearish underneath 3,000. That's sort of kiss it goodbye. Expect lower. I would look for these equal lows down here. That's going to be at 2876. Massive move inside of Amazon. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying it's not, but it could be on the table. That's if we open underneath 3,000. If we open above 3,000, then anything that chops around in this area is nothing more than a bear flag. And over time, we would look for those breakdowns once again to get us closer to that range. Keep in mind, what I've been getting at here is the massive amount of overhead supply. There's a lot of people in here who are going to start being disappointed as we move underneath 3,000, which I do imagine would start to trigger a chain reaction of selling, getting us into some of these lower levels. Again, 2876 could be on the table sooner than you expect based on the amount and time period that we've been consolidating for. This is nearly 2 years of doing absolutely nothing in Amazon. A lot of disappointed investors here if it starts to break down underneath 3,000. That's what I've got for you from the daily and intraday perspective, to be quite honest with you. This thing completely fell off a cliff. Not a whole lot of structure to analyze other than the 38.2. If you enjoyed the video today or learned anything new, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.